How to sign out of your Overeats account. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to sign out of your Overeats account on your mobile device. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Overeats app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you are inside the app, just tap on the profile icon shown in the bottom right corner of the screen. And now here, once you tap on it, you'll be prompted to the account section. Now here, once you are in the account section, simply tap on your profile icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. And here, once you tap on it, you'll be prompted to the settings section. Now here at the bottom you can see the option labeled as sign out. So simply tap on it, and after that on the pop-up page just tap on sign out again. And after that you'll be signed out of your Overeats account. And that's it. That's how you can log out of your Overeats account. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.